Welcome to our guide on how to view InMail-focused messages on LinkedIn. In this updated tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to access your important messages efficiently. First, open the LinkedIn app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features seamlessly. Next, look for the messaging icon located in the top corner of the app's homepage. This icon resembles a speech bubble and is your gateway to all your LinkedIn conversations. Once you click on the messaging icon, you will be directed to your inbox. Here you will see two tabs, Focused and Other. To find your InMail messages specifically, click on the Message section and select Focused. This tab is designed to help you prioritize messages that matter most to you. Now that you're in the Focused tab, it's time to filter for InMail messages. Click on All Filters, which allows you to customize what messages you want to view. From here, select InMail as your filter option. This step is crucial as it will display only those messages that are categorized as InMails. After applying the filter, you should now see a list of all your InMail messages within the Focus tab. These are messages from users who are not in your connections, but have reached out to you directly through LinkedIn's premium messaging feature. To summarize, open the LinkedIn app. Click on the messaging icon in the top corner. Select the Focus tab. Click on All Filters and choose InMail. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to manage your LinkedIn communications more effectively and ensure that important messages don't get lost in the shuffle. Remember, staying organized is key in today's fast-paced digital world. Happy networking!